Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and we are at Provost Stadium. I found this is one of the other door closers that has latch problems, and and guess what? This one you kind of see behind the cover a little bit. It's the power source, and this one I think I can demonstrate this one. Oh, yes, I can. Look, I'll be demonstrating this one because these latchers look like they're locked, but we'll go ahead and start with this one. Yeah, it's got latch problems. If I pull it, I guess I can't pull it closed. But if I turn the knob, it'll close it. Show it off again. One more time, and then we'll try to show off the other one. Alright. Let's see if we can show off. Let's see if we can get this other door open. Alright. Now, we'll show off this closer. One more time. Oh, let's demonstrate the magnetic lock. Let's have the magnetic lock works. That's how the magnetic lock works. Well, you know what? One more time for. Okay. So, otherwise, that would be it.